Yeah, hello, welcome to another update video about Link. Here on this chart we can identify currently that the market is in a pullback. The pullback is quite deep after the market possibly put a low in place in this wave 2 or B wave. These are the two bullish scenarios after a corrective pullback might have completed here on Sunday. But I have to say the reaction to the upside is probably only a 3-wave move, best I can tell. Doesn't look clearly bullish to me. And the pullback, already is quite deep. So the other problem is that the market has not managed to break above our breakout line, signal line or resistance line, however you want to call it. This is here at $19.86, and price couldn't break above it. That indicates weakness, and it's certainly not yet ready for a breakout. If a higher low can form here above the Sunday low, that means above $17.40, that's what we're watching for, then break out above this high, pretty much like this, then we could be on our way higher in wave C of 3, which would be part of this breakout pattern, or the blue wave C. This doesn't matter in the short term. What is really important though is that the bulls turn up before the price breaks below $17.15, because any break below this level is too deep for a bullish structure. It's already low confidence because the initial reaction to the low of the 3rd of February low, here when the price bottomed locally at around $16, when we had that liquidity crisis, you could say. People were scared. It was a liquidation event across the sector. A lot of altcoins suffered, recovered greatly, however, but haven't really since then. Since that one day, they haven't moved up, and really it seems like most of the time the market is just in a correction. Well, that's what Frost and Prechter, who wrote the Elliott wave book, tell us anyway. I think they mention in the book that around 70% of time a market is not trending. Okay, so a trending move is always a 5-wave move, but it's really only in the majority of cases we're just moving in corrective patterns. That's exactly what we see, maybe even more at the moment in the altcoin sector. So essentially what we need to see is that breakout to the upside, and any move below $17.15 would indicate that we are going to form most likely a new low, even below the 3rd of February low. That would not be a disaster, but obviously it wouldn't be great. This is the yellow count here that we are tracking, where this move up was just a wave 4 bounce, and we're moving down here in a 5-wave pattern, form one more low, but then the market could just react, just marginally, form a marginally lower low in this 5th wave, circle wave 5 in yellow, then start to recover. But I can tell you that below $17.15, let's say the outlook is again uncertain. At the moment we have very clear parameters to watch, which is the $17.15 level as key support, and also the Sunday low. These are key parameters, and the swing low from the 3rd of February. So there are 3 levels that you could use to set a stop if you like to, if that's a trade for you, even though this is really messy. But any break below those levels, where are we going to stop, right? So there's a lot of uncertainty there, because the trapdoor will open, and obviously more bearish alternatives are possible. But for now, we are just watching if the market can find some support here locally. So there's not much more to say at the moment. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional content, make sure that you check out our MCO Global channel. It's our new channel. We launched that last week. It's our new main channel. It's already grown a lot, so thanks all for your support. And what we uploaded today is a video about the altcoin season and why it is delayed, and what would need to happen this year for it to, for the altcoins to make a comeback. Just some speculation there, supported by evidence from the charts. We take a look at the DXY, Bitcoin dominance, the Bitcoin chart, sentiment analysis, and we take a look at some fundamental aspects that could have an impact from a monetary and fiscal policy point of view. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.